Currently, freelance is in great demand by the public. With freelance, people become more flexible because they are not tied to a company. There are some problems like lack of freelance sites that focus on technology and programming, difficulties in sourcing for qualified tech talents in Indonesia. On the homepage, user can see various categories of freelancer they can work with, such as WordPress, game developer, mobile app developer, and others. On this page, user can register themselves so that their personal data is stored in the Kotakode database. There are many ways that can be used to sign up, such as with a Google account, Facebook account, email, or GitHub.
Now, once the user has created an account, they can sign into the application through various ways, such as through Google, Facebook, GitHub, or email account. Once inside the application, the user can access various features that the app provides, such as searching for available projects in which the user can categorize them based on their interests and submitting a proposal to the project they want to bid in. The user can also check their activity as a freelancer, where in the My Activity menu, they can see the projects that have been completed by them or are still in progress. Once a project is completed, the user can select and submit their project by filling out a project submission form. When a freelancer has finished a project, the client user can pay the freelancer with various payment methods within the application. For users who want to post their project in the application, they can select and fill out the Post a Project form to properly submit their project for the freelancers to see. Another amazing and important feature integrated with the Kotakode freelance application is the forum feature, in which the user can create threads, discuss, like, and even give out answers on various questions and forum threads that are posted by other users.
The next feature in this application is blog. Blogs contain information for programmers to read things related to programming. Users can search for the desired blog by searching for it in the search field. The users can select the blog if they are interested in seeing the details of the blog. On the blog content page, users can read the whole blog. They can also like and reply to the comments. Users can also write their comments by writing them in the field provided. Furthermore, users can write their own blogs by pressing the plus button located at the beginning of the blog menu. The next one is profile page. On there, the users can view their profile. They can edit their introduction and portfolio and also see their experience in Kotakode. That's the idea for the application from us. We hope this application can help the freelancers to work on projects related to programming and technology. Thank you for watching.